everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're about to embark on a super fun, super extra journey into the world of eyeshadow. But with a twist, we're ditching the usual human models and diving headfirst into the wonderful world of stop-motion animation with clay. Get ready to master those blending techniques and create some seriously stunning eye looks, all on our very own claymation creations. Whether you're a blending pro or just starting out, trust me, this is going to be epic. So grab your brushes, your palettes, and let's get blending. Alright loves, before we can go full-on Picasso on these lids, we gotta prep our canvas. This is the most important step to ensure our eyeshadow looks flawless and stays put all day long. Just like with real skin, we want a smooth, flawless base for our eyeshadow to stick to. Think of it as creating a perfect, even surface that will make the colors pop and blend seamlessly. So take a clean, damp makeup sponge, or in our case, a tiny little sponge for our clay model, and gently dab it all over the eyelid area. This step is crucial to remove any excess oils or debris that might interfere with the makeup application. This will help to even out any fingerprints or imperfections. Remember, the smoother the base, the better the final look will be. Trust me, a little prep work goes a long way. Now for priming. Priming is like laying down the foundation for a masterpiece. This step is crucial, especially in the world of claymation, because it helps the eyeshadow really pop and prevents it from creasing or fading. Without primer, the colors might not be as vibrant and could wear off quickly. Take a teeny tiny amount of eyeshadow primer, we're talking a pinhead size, people, and gently pat it onto the eyelid with your fingertip. Be sure to cover the entire eyelid evenly. Make sure to blend it out evenly for a seamless base. This will ensure that the eyeshadow adheres properly and lasts longer. And voila! Our canvas is prepped and ready for some color. Now we can dive into the fun part, adding those beautiful, vibrant shades to create a stunning look. Okay, my little blending babes, it's time to talk transition shades. This is the step that adds depth and dimension to the eye look, so listen up. We want to choose a neutral shade that's just a smidge darker than our clay model's skin tone. Think soft browns, warm taupes, or even a muted peachy shade. Now take a fluffy blending brush, and remember, the fluffier the brush, the more diffused the color will be, and gently dip it into your chosen transition shade. Tap off any excess. We don't want any fallout here. And start applying the color to the crease of the eyelid. Use a light back and forth windshield wiper motion to blend the color seamlessly into the crease. And don't be afraid to build up the intensity gradually. We're going for a soft, diffused look here, nothing too harsh. Now it's time to inject some serious drama into this look with our crease color. This step is where we really start to see the eye makeup come to life, adding depth and dimension that makes the eyes pop. For this step, we want to choose a shade that's a bit deeper and more intense than our transition shade. This contrast is what will give our eyes that captivating, multi-dimensional effect. Think rich browns, smoky grays, or even a deep plum if we're feeling bold. These colors are perfect for adding that sultry, dramatic flair to our look. Now take a smaller, more precise blending brush. This will give us more control over the color placement, and dip it into our chosen crease shade. The smaller brush helps in targeting the crease area without spreading the color too much. Again, tap off any excess to avoid any eyeshadow mishaps. This simple step can save us from a lot of cleanup later. Start by applying the color to the outer corner of the eye, right in the crease, and blend it inwards towards the center of the eyelid. This technique helps to lift and define the eye shape. Use small circular motions to really work that color into the crease and create a seamless gradient with the transition shade. This blending technique ensures that the colors meld together beautifully. Remember, blending is key here, people. The more we blend, the more natural and professional our eye makeup will look. We want to avoid any harsh lines and create a smooth, diffused look. This will give our eyes a soft yet striking appearance that's perfect for any occasion. Alright, my little eyeshadow enthusiasts, it's time to bring on the lid color. This is where the magic happens, and we get to play with all those beautiful shades we've been eyeing. Whether you're a fan of bold, vibrant colors or prefer something more subtle and sophisticated, there's a lid color out there for everyone. This is where we can really have some fun and experiment with different shades and finishes. Don't be afraid to mix and match, and try out combinations you wouldn't normally think of. Sometimes the most unexpected pairings can create the most stunning looks. For this look, let's go for a shimmery champagne gold. It'll really make those claymation eyes pop. This shade is perfect for adding a touch of elegance and glamour to any look, and it's versatile enough to work for both day and night. Now, instead of a blending brush, we're going to grab a flat shader brush. This brush is ideal for packing on color and achieving a more intense, pigmented finish. It's a must-have tool for any eyeshadow enthusiast. This will help us to really pack on the color and create a more intense, pigmented finish. The flat shader brush allows for precise application, ensuring that the color goes exactly where you want it. Dip your brush into the lid color, making sure to pick up a good amount of product. Don't be shy. The more product you pick up, the more vibrant the color will be on your lids. Then, gently pat the color onto the center of the eyelid, starting from the lash line and working your way upwards towards the crease. This technique helps to build up the color gradually and ensures a smooth, even application. Don't be afraid to layer the color to build up the intensity. Layering allows you to control the depth and vibrancy of the shade, giving you the freedom to create a look that's uniquely yours. And to really make that shimmer pop, try spritzing your brush with a little bit of setting spray before dipping it into the eyeshadow. This trick not only intensifies the shimmer, but also helps the eyeshadow to adhere better and last longer. Trust me, it'll take your shimmer game to the next level. With these tips and tricks, you'll be able to create stunning, eye-catching looks that are sure to turn heads. So go ahead, have fun with your lid color, and let your creativity shine. We're almost there, my little blending buddies. Now it's time to add those final touches that will really make this eye look sparkle. For this step, we need a light, shimmery shade. Think pearly white, champagne, or even a soft gold. Now, take a small, fluffy brush and dip it into your chosen highlight shade. Tap off any excess. We don't want any shimmer fallout. And apply the color to the inner corner of the eye. This will help to brighten up the eyes and make them appear larger. Then, take the same brush and gently sweep the highlight shade along the brow bone, just below the eyebrow. This will help to lift the brow and create a more defined, polished look. And there you have it. Our claymation eye look is complete. And there you have it, a perfectly blended eyeshadow look, claymation style. Who knew creating stunning eye looks on a tiny clay model could be so satisfying? Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment with different colors, brushes, and techniques. And most importantly, have fun with it. Now, if you loved this tutorial and want to see more claymation makeup magic, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Until next time, my little blending babes, stay creative and keep those brushes blending.